Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Fujifilm FUJI Dri-CHEM Slide CRE-P3, and you can see the code for it is 1750. The expiry and the lot number you can look at here. It is a 24 pack made in Japan product. You can see the IVD certifications and the temperature control markings over here. You can see the barcode here. And if you see the front view of the box, you can see the manufacturing address, Fujifilm Corporations, manufactured in Tokyo, Japan. So it's a very small box, very handy to use. You can look at, I'm just showing you the back side, the front side and all the sides. So guys, to sum it up, this is the Fujifilm FUJI Dri-CHEM Slide CRE-P3. The code for it is 1750. You can see the expiry and the lot number here. It's a 24 pack made in Japan. You can also see it is an IVD product, C certified, and temperature control is between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. So thank you.